So these are peaches, guys, and here in Korea we call it puksunga. Bali, we ordered this last night, and because it was too pricey, we were expecting a box of this. Pero yung dumating, guys, is just 12 pieces lang. So na-curious kami, bakit sobrang mahal at iilang peraso lang yung dumating. So the 12 pieces was costing 800 plus. So it means yung isa nito, guys, is worthing na siya ng 65 pesos per piece. And as you can see, hindi siya ganun kalaki, guys. Sobrang liit niya lang to be 65 pesos. And when we got to taste it, guys, wow, sobrang sarap na. It was crunchy and yet sweet. Hindi siya ganun katamis, guys. And saktong-sakto lang yung lasa niya. Pero yung gustong-gusto ko talaga, guys, is sobra siyang crunchy. Fresh na fresh siya, guys. Kaya pala mahal. Masarap. Yung crunchiness niya, guys, is parang yung mangga na malapit ng yung papahinog pa lang. Ganun na ganun, guys, yung crunchiness niya, yung tumutunog pa talaga pag kinagat mo. So this is definitely worth the 65 pesos. Sulit.